Sabasta Entertainment.
Lilama, first transgender Nepali woman. अब Indian showbiz explore गरेपछि लाग्दैछिन् Hollywood. Oh yeah, you heard it right. Hollywood debut गर्दैछिन् international model Anjali. उनी Bollywood actress Jacqueline Fernandez सँग देखिँदैछिन्. यो कुरा बुधबार दिउँसो नेपाली नायिका तथा मोडल परमिताले आफ्नो सोशल मिडियाबाट जानकारी दिएकी थिइन्. उनी लेख्छिन्, Anjali Lama, the first transgender Nepali woman to make a debut in a Hollywood movie alongside Jacqueline Fernandez. Anjali has again made a history. Anjali Lama will make her Hollywood debut with upcoming anthology feature, Women's Stories. The movie will feature 6 shorts ranging from drama to comedy, docudrama to animation from 6 women filmmakers. Anjali and Jacqueline will star in filmmaker Leena Yadav's short title, Sharing a Ride. The anthology movie's cast also include Cara Leving, Eva Longoria, Margarita Bai, Leonor Varela, and Oscar winner Marcia Gay Harden. Paramita निकै खुसी छिन् यो खबरबाट. That's why she writes, Damn, I'm so happy for you, Anjali. Shine the brightest. यानी कि फिल्ममा 6वटा शॉट्स राखिनेछ. ड्रामादेखि कमेडी र डकु ड्रामा लगायत एनिमेसन रहने जानकारी दिएको छ. फिल्ममा 6वटा फरक कहानी देखाइनेछ. अञ्जली सँगसँगै Cara Delevingne, Emma Longoria, Margarita Bai, Leonor Varela र अस्कर विनर मार्सिया गे हार्डन पनि फिचर्ड रहनेछन् उक्त भिडियोमा, जसलाई डिरेक्ट गर्दैछन् लीना यादवले, जसले 3 पत्ती फिल्म निर्देशन गरेका थिए. पक्कै पनि हामी सबै नेपाली यो खबरले गौरवान्वित महसुस गर्न सक्छौं. Yes, we all are waiting for her debut in Hollywood. Good luck to Anjali Lama.
So I'm openly and proudly gay, and that's what I define myself as. Nikisha Shashtaku, she faces kati trolling. इतनी के छैन कि ओ एक्टर्सहरुले ड्रग्स गरिराछ. आजकलको जमानामा कोले त्यो गर्दैन. Everyone is spending so much money to make their skin look good. They won't do things like that because on screen you look bad if you have taken drugs. Before that I was like, no, I will never join TikTok. It's just I don't like it. बच्चादेखि नै मेरो feelings थियो towards guys. That by like class 9th, I started reading up and started realizing कि
यस्ता व्यक्तिहरू जो पेशागत हिसाबमा पर्दा पछि रहेर काम गर्छन्, टिकटक तथा युट्युब जस्ता माध्यमले उनीहरूको अनुहार पनि पर्दा अघि ल्याइदिएको छ र उनीहरूको अनुहार हामीलाई परिचित लाग्छ. हजुर, त्यस्तै पराक्रम राणा एक परिचित अनुहार अनि परिचित नाम. उनी इन्डियामा फ्यासन स्टाइलिस्टको रूपमा काम गर्छन्. आफ्नो सेक्सुअल आइडेन्टिटीलाई सहर्ष रूपमा स्वीकार्दै सार्वजनिक गरेका उनी हाल आफूलाई ब्लगर भन्न पनि मन पराउँछन्. उनको आफ्नै नामको युट्युब च्यानल पनि छ. उनले मुम्बईमा पढ्दा भोगमा इन्टर्न गर्ने मौका पाएका थिए. ब्याचलर्समा मास कम्युनिकेसन गरेका पराक्रमले प्रियङ्का चोपडा र मनीषा कोइराला लगायत थुप्रै बलिउड सेलेब्सलाई स्टाइल गराइसकेका छन्. आज उनी कार्यक्रममा उनको पपी लभ, सेक्सुअल आइडेन्टिटीका कुरा, स्टाइल स्टेटमेन्टका कुरा अनि अन्य रोचक कुराहरू खुलेर शेयर गर्दैछन्. Let's welcome पराक्रम राणा.
Thank you so much.
So TikTok you're very popular, eh?
हजुर.
Okay. Like why TikTok? कसरी यो प्लेटफर्ममा चाहिँ एकदमै लोभ लाग्यो, प्लेटफर्म जाउँ ट्राई गरौँ जस्तो लाग्यो त.
So you 2019 ma before I came to Nepal, it was something which was really growing, and I was like, before that I was like, no, I will never join TikTok. It's just I don't like it. That 2019 I was like, video editing, and that's something growing up as a kid. I would always edit videos while others would play sports. So I knew how to edit videos and things. So I was like, let me use this. I'm a content creator. Let me try making video. It's more fun than just posting pictures. So I started, and it started slow in India. Ani Nepal aipachi then lockdown bhayo. Then there was family members. There was more space to do things. There were more people around who I could make videos with. And it just took off. It just blew off. And
so first TikTok भयो अनि blogging मा जानु भएको.
मेरो blogging थियो. Last 2 years I've been blogging Instagram, but I've been earning money. That's my source of income is through Instagram. And this TikTok was a new platform. Unfortunately, it's banned in India, so I can't do much there. But for now, I'm loving it. Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Okay. So let's talk about the identity.
हजुर।
है एट द एन्ड अफ द डे हामी काम गर्छौँ हामी जन्मिसके पछाडि एउटा आइडेन्टिटी को पछाडि हामी दौडिरहन्छौँ बिट एनी वान फ्रम एलजिबिटिआइक्युए ओर स्ट्रेट होइन सो वाट इज यर आइडेन्टिटी हाउ डु यु वान डिफाइन इट ओर यु डोन्ट वान डिफाइन इट यु वान जस्ट किप इट
So I'm openly and proudly gay, and that's what I define myself as.
सो डु यु रियली थिङ्क नेपालमा चाहिँ योसँग रिलेटेड कुराहरू साँच्चै नै बाहिर आइरहेको छ एन्ड युर भेरी ह्याप्पी टु सी पिपल एडमिटिङ द्याट दे आर नट स्ट्रेट
हजुर. Slowly, I think social media le garda people are being more aware. They're reading up more and getting educated, and it's helping. Acceptance wise, हाम्रो society ma it's deep rooted where they don't accept. You know, they are not happy, comfortable. Also because it's difficult for people like us to face the outer world because of all the stereotypes and the bullying and discrimination that we face. So that's understandable, but improve bhairacha. We have a long way to go, but thanks to social media and the internet, I think many more people are getting a platform to come out and speak up and, you know, just understand themselves better.
Do you sing Nepali song? I
No,
know
no.
you have been doing like TikTok मा त नेपाली सङमा होइन
No, I don't
तपाईँ
sing.
विथ फ्यामिली होइन मजाले गरिरहनु भएको हुन्छ कुन चाहिँ लाइक गीत यु रिमेम्बर
So many kati ram new songs to Lajavati Jhar kasto nice, it was so beautiful. And this Barsha Raut ko Aao Wara aile recent chali raha cha.
पर्सन आउँछ होइन आउरमा त आचल शर्मा
Hoina Barsha Raut yo.
Oh my god, I thought Rajasthan.
That's Lajavati ma.
ए ओके ल जाऊ
Barsha Raut Aao Wara ani yeah.
ए ओके दिस वान
That fun one. Ani kati lovely ones, and त्यो Chatta Rumal also is fun. Basically, I've always liked these songs, and then now TikTok ma I enjoy doing Nepali songs instead of Hindi because I'm like Hindi ko ta banao. Not I love the songs, but I don't want to act. But Nepali gana ma maja आउँछ, feel आउँछ.
सो यहाँले कहिले भिडियोमा कसैले अप्रोच गर्नु भएको छ लाइक किनकि आजकल सोसियल इन्फ्लुएन्सरलाई चाहिँ मेन स्ट्रिम कुनै पनि प्लेटफर्ममा लिएर आउने चलन चलेको छ किनकि उहाँहरूको धेरैजना हुनुहुन्छ भ्युवर्स भनेर होइन कसैले अप्रोच गर्नु भएको छ
Approach the गरेको छैन, but many of my fans have been like, why don't you do a music video? I'm like, no. I'm very conscious. Camera ko agari, I'm very conscious. If it's like a team and direction and I have to act, I can't do it. I run away. I've literally like been forced by my friends in Bombay to audition for.
You're from privileged group होइन in a way we can say you
Privileged
are
भनौँ,
so त्यो वेमा भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ कहिलेकाहीँ यसो सोच्नु भएको छ अलिकति लो ग्रेड भन्दाखेरि पनि जसको इकोनोमिक स्टेटस त्यति राम्रो छैन एज कम्पेरिजन टु रिच पिपल यो एलजिबिटी आइक्यूलाई लिएर अलिक त्यहाँनिर चाहिँ बढी प्रब्लम छ अथवा हाई सोसाइटीमा पनि छ व्हाट डु यु वान्ट टु से
I think high society मा पनि छ. India होस् कि जाओस्, any big families उनीहरूको कति pressure हुन्छ कि if you come out, your whole family को इज्जत जान्छ. So they also have pressure. However, obviously it's always more difficult for people who are less privileged because उहाँहरूको त they don't have any other choice. They're thrown out of the house. They need to be dependent on their family completely. Whereas people like me, like because of the upbringing and the studies and the education I have, I can, even if I'm thrown out of the house, I can at least make my, you know, own mark and like survive. But it's more difficult definitely for people from like who have less economic status. It's difficult for everyone, I have to say it, but it's improving hopefully.
तपाईँको आफ्नै पर्सनल कुरा गर्नु पर्दाखेरि when did you explore that your identity in fact how did you explore that
बच्चादेखि नै मेरो feelings थियो towards guys that by like class 9th, you know, I started reading up and started realizing कि I think I only like guys, which means that I'm gay. And I always thought कि, you know, it's okay to have a girl. I mean, it's normal to have a girlfriend and that's how it goes. And I tried having a girlfriend and I was very in love with the fact that I have a girlfriend and all. But later when I just like thought to myself, I was like, I don't have any attraction towards the girl. It's like she's like a friend. So that's when I realized कि yeah, I've always liked guys and yeah, that's me.
So how did you get familiar with this term gay?
This was always there. I grew up being bullied. Gay, you're gay, you know, this, that. So most of the people from our community get bullied because of our behavior and things. So I was always bullied and we were always, I mean, I grew up being like, oh, no, I can't be gay. I can't be gay. I was in a boys' school also, so it's more of a taboo there.
Okay,
so,
it was a boys' school.
Yeah, all boys
oh my
school,
God.
which I enjoyed because it was all boys, but also the bullying was there.
Yeah. Big time bullying.
Big time bullying, and especially because I acted a little effeminate and different, so people couldn't digest that. But I think by class 9th, I was mature enough to tell myself that, okay, I am gay. Keep quiet now because you're in a boys' boarding school. You don't want a scandal to happen because back then, even now, I think it's a big issue if you come out when you are so
त्यो
young.
बेलामा you didn't tell it outly.
No,
I mean,
only
outwardly.
to myself. It's only like class 11th when I was like 15, 16, I told my best friend, and then slowly I opened up.
Okay. So, archaic Englishमा गेको मिनिङ भनेको चाहिँ like happy पनि हुन्छ हैन? Is it because you people are always happy, that's why this term is
I
given?
think so.
त्यस्तो
I
लाग्छ?
hope so. Yeah,
मलाई
yeah.
त्यस्तो लाग्छ actually.
You're always happy and
jolly
energetic.
moodमा हैन?
I think our personality is very happy, like jolly. But no, I'm sure, I mean, we do suffer a lot and we face so much discrimination, but I think that's a way of...
It is because of the mindset we
Mindset,
have.
yeah.
त्यही त ट्रेडिसनल सोसाइटी भएको कारणले गर्दा त्यो माइन्डसेटले गर्दा हो इट माइट टेक टाइम होइन
Yes.
तर फ्यामिली एक्सेप्टेन्सको कुरा गरौँ फ्यामिलीलाई चाहिँ कहिले भन्नुभयो एन्ड हाउ डिड यु कन्फेस इट टु द्याट
So I think right before I was getting done with school, मेरो 12th को एक दुई महीना बाकी थियो and I knew कि अब म बम्बे गइरहेछु to fulfill my dreams and just, you know, be free, and I was like, this is the time to tell my parents. And then one day I was just very upset and I was crying over something, and the Risma, I was like, I need to tell my parents, they deserve to know, and this I told them. I was very lucky because they were very supportive and they're like, you know, we're very proud of you. They're like, just come out of school, you have 2 more months in all boys school, maybe just because you've only been around boys, you haven't had any other attraction or experience with women. I said I respect their opinion, but let me tell you, I am gay, but I will come out to the world once I go out to Bombay. So I went to Bombay 1-2 months and then I told everyone, and my parents were fine with that.
दे वर नट स्ट्रिक्ट त्यति स्ट्रिक्ट हुनुहुन्थ्यो
Strict,
त्यही
yeah.
सजिलै भयो भन्नुलाई
Sajilo bhai. Of course, they were worried because like we face so much discrimination and then family talking this that. But I told myself, like, if my parents accept me, I don't care about anyone else.
यहाँले एउटा स्टेटमेन्ट भन्नुभयो सर्टेन टाइम पछि बिकज युआर फ्रम अल बोइज स्कुल यु माइट फेल समथिङ लाइक द्याट युआर एट्र्याक्टेड टु बोइज नट गर्ल्स होइन एउटा हुन्छ नि प्रेसर त भयो नि एट सम पोइन्ट दे वान्ट मी टु नट टु बी गे उहाँले त्यो भन्ने त्यो
They
प्रेसरमा
had that thinking. Maybe
कुनै point मा
होइन,
गएर।
because उनीहरूले थाहा छ कति bullying, कति difficulties हुन्छ. Even till today's date, I may make a video, TikTok video, there'll always be people commenting, chakka, this, that, you know, horrible, this, that, kasto acting garira. So being a parent, they do get worried, and you know, so from like under se they must be like, maybe he's not, but apart from that, if you are, you are, and then they just need to be proud of it because you know it is tough to come out for anyone. Even for me, it has been tough. Mero family ma, I was the first one to come out, and hamro family ma kati cultures, customs, like any other Nepali family huncha, so it was a big taboo, but no one could say anything to me because my parents were fine and then my grandparents were okay, so then no one could say anything to me. They could just speak behind.
Yeah, exactly. अब पछाडि त जसको पनि कुरा काट्छन् होइन सो वी सुड नट थिङ्क अबाउट द्याट एट अल र अर्को कुरा अब जेन्डर सेन्सिटिभिटी कुरा गरौँ तपाईँ मास मिडिया पनि पढ्नु भएको नेक्स्ट थिङ यो ब्लगिङ होइन र अहिले एलजिबिटिआइक्यूलाई लिएर समाजमा हुन त एक्सेप्टेन्स दिन्छन् एट सम पोइन्ट गएर तर कहिलेकाहीँ शब्दले पनि हर्ट हुन्छ के अनि फेरि अगाडिको मान्छेलाई थाहा पनि हुँदैन होला के भन्ने त उसलाई कसरी हुन्छ नि इन्टरेक्ट गर्ने होइन हियर सी बाहेक अरू टर्म युज गर्ने कि नगर्ने होइन गयो भने के गर्ने अनि आई रिमेम्बर यु पोस्टिङ समथिङ राइट आई फरगट एक्चुली 2 days back you posted something something like
Paralingic is a term for transgender that they've termed. यो नयाँ term they've termed up because पहिला transgender को लागि the only term was third gender, and third gender means nor male nor female. Now transgender woman is a woman, transgender man is a man. You can't call them a third gender. You can call them transgender woman. You know what I mean? But third gender is a term जो you know doesn't make sense. अनि in the beginning हामी नेपालमा we were like, oh wow, हाम्रो एउटा others options are, but technically I think it isn't too respectful or like too thoughtful towards the transgender and intersex community.
किनभने अझ पनि त्यहाँभित्र अरू भेग कुराहरू अझै छन् हामीले सर्फेसियली हेरेर एउटा भयो भने पनि अझ डेन्स छ यो कुरा हामीले स्टुडेन्टलाई पनि कन्फ्युज हुन्छ कि के मात्र हो भनेर होइन सेट गर्दा गर्दै सो यो पारलैङ्गिक होइन सो यो चाहिँ एउटा जेन्डर सेन्सिटिभिटीलाई लिएर स्पेसली कसैलाई बोलाउँदा सम्बोधन गर्दा भनौँ न के युज गर्ने त हामी कहीँ कार्यक्रममा गयो भने लेडिज एन्ड जेन्टलमेन भन्छौँ त्यो भन्दाखेरि डु यु फिल लाइक देयर मिसिङ आउट वान अफ यु ओर
Definitely, I think so. Now, no, actually, in fact, when you said it now, I'm like, you're right, ladies and gentlemen, you're not talking about others. I think we need to scrap that out and just say humans, people of the
Welcome,
world.
all of
Welcome
you.
each and everyone. Definitely, yeah. I think we need to be more sensitive now. Social media, like I said, le garda people are learning so much, and people shouldn't back away कि डर छ मान्छेहरू कि न हामी के नभनोस् backfire होला. No, read up, learn things. You may make mistakes that we'll teach you, and when we teach you, then you learn, and then that's how one learns.
ओके यो लर्निङ प्रोसेसको कुरा गर्दाखेरि एलजिबिटिआइक्यूको कम्युनिटी पनि छ होइन हाउ एक्टिभ युर इन नेपालमा
Nepal, I've been very active because I felt that there have been so many people who are speaking up about their rights, and I've been here in Nepal. I'm here for such a short time, and I've had time to read up and understand about what is going on. So I've been very vocal here in Nepal. In India, it's going on. There's so many people speaking up. So I'm one of the fish in the pond. But here, I guess there are fewer people speaking, so I feel more responsible and more like I feel like I need to speak up more. So I've been speaking up quite a lot here, being vocal.
ओके सो आजकल चाहिँ हामीले सोसियल मिडिया एकदमै धेरै हेर्छौँ होइन त्यो बेलामा चाहिँ सानो बच्चा पनि भल्नरेबल छ होइन त्यसलाई लिएर अब तपाईँहरूको कम्युनिटीको मान्छेहरूले कसरी डिल गरिरहनु भएको छ अघि भन्नुभयो नि दे युज फाउल ल्याङ्ग्वेजेस होइन तपाईँहरूलाई कमेन्ट गर्ने बेलामा सो त्यसले हर्ट हुन्छ र आफूलाई कसरी तयार पार्ने त एलजिबिटिआइक्यूको व्यक्तिहरूले
I think vulnerable to hami dhere cha, and especially people who are coming out, who are understanding themselves. Internet ma, in TikTok, I see so many young people who are from my community. Maybe they haven't come out, but they're trying to understand themselves, be themselves. मान्छेहरूले टोक्छ के हो यो कस्तो बिहेभियर हो दिस द्याट अनि vulnerable छ किनभने उहाँको पेरेन्ट्सहरूले सपोर्ट गर्दैन कि उहाँले they don't involve their parents because they're like हो किन हेर यिनीहरूले यो भनिरहेछ कि किन केटी जस्तै कि यस्तो बिहेभ गरिरहेछ so they're by themselves, they don't have any support system, so and they're young, so vulnerable hunsa, they're very vulnerable in fact, and there's no one to tell them what is right, what is wrong. So
in that case, how do you prepare them? I mean, those who are from
so whenever I see like people from my community like post videos and I know that there's good, and I see a lot of comments, I know there's hate, and I make sure that I comment something good, a positive thing, and I guess being verified account, it gives some kind of leeway where people see and they're like, okay, my comment gets highlighted, they're like, okay, there's someone appreciating them, which needs to be appreciated. So I try my best whenever I see people who need the love and need the support and just need to know that what they're doing is right, ani live your life, you're living your life to the fullest, which is very brave, especially people from our community, if they get to do that. So yeah, I try my best to encourage them in whatever way I can.
पछिल्लो पटक यहाँले कुनै यस्तो केसहरू सोसियल मिडियाबाट थाहा पाउनु भएको एलजिबिटिआइक्यू कम्युनिटीको कोही व्यक्तिहरूलाई नराम्रो भनिएको कुनै
Nikisha Shashtaka, she faces kati trolling. People still call her Nikesh, jabki she's changed her name to Nikisha, but यहाँ मान्छे just don't understand. They're so garo bhaira, they're understanding what is gay and lesbian, that transgender ko kura aune, they're like ke ho बुझेन किन केटा जस्तै किन properly transition भएको छैन किन यो हो. They question them and try to ask them why you're not fully like a girl or fully like a boy, whereas they don't understand कि कति गाह्रो हुन्छ. Like Nikisha, she's from a background where the family is not supportive and she's not privileged, and the family doesn't allow her to fully transition, in the sense that she's not allowed to grow her hair fully, she's not allowed to dress up as a woman all the time because the family said we'll throw you out of the house. Yeah. So त्यो गर्दा she can't, but people should be understanding. People are like होय किन केटा जस्तै लुगा लाइरा त केटा हो कि केटी, and the trolling is just crazy. And अहिले recently पनि कस्तो someone had made a video where they were trolling her in public, and
police case नै भएको थियो
and it was quite disturbing. Hopefully there were a lot of people who spoke up. I also spoke up about this matter, and I urged so many celebrities to speak up, and they also spoke up. And so I mean, at least it brings awareness to people that if you make fun of people from our community, you aren't going to get away easy. You will get a saza, and police was also there to make sure that action was taken. Those people did learn the lesson, but the thing is, one needs to education is system just hone parcha ki you grow up learning ki these things are very normal and there's nothing wrong in it.
ओके सो अघि भनिहाल्नुभयो यहाँ त सोसियल इन्फ्लुएन्सहरू पनि भएको कारणले गर्दाखेरि यहाँले जे पोस्ट गर्नुहुन्छ त्यो टक अफ द टाउन भइसक्छ होइन पहिला पो त मेन स्ट्रिम मिडिया थियो टाइम लाग्थ्यो कसैलाई केही भन्नलाई आजकल ओभरनाइट बनिरहेको छन् होइन स्पेसली तपाईँहरूको केसमा चाहिँ यदि सोसियल मिडिया यति धेरै नभएको भए अलिकति जेन्डर इस्युलाई लिएर कुराहरू सम्झाउनको लागि सजिलो हुने परिवारहरूलाई पनि धेरै इफेक्ट नपर्ने हुन्थ्यो कि किनभने जसले पनि सोसियल मिडिया चलाउँछ अनि कसैले आफ्नो छोराछोरीलाई के भनिरहेछ भनेर उनीहरूले पनि हेर्न मिल्छ त्यसले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ पेरेन्ट्स हर्ट हुन्छ अनि पेरेन्ट्स हर्ट भइसके पछाडि एउटा कन्डिसन निस्किन्छ सक्छ होइन यहाँलाई लाग्छ यो सोसियल मिडियाले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ अलि बढी चाहिँ समस्या भएको इट्स नट लाइक अ फ्रेन्ड बट मच लाइक अ फो
yeah, for sure. Just as much as it is a friend, it is also a foe because, like you said, vulnerable people can be exposed to cyberbullying. So many things. Aajkal, at least hamro part of the world, there is censorship banda pani, like kids can watch TikTok, which is actually kind of dangerous. I mean, if you don't have parental guidance, you can watch videos where ke bhaira cha, you know. So there needs to be a lot of control in terms of बच्चाहरूले के हेर्न सक्छ अनि कसले के हेर्न सक्छ तर not censorship because I think we should be allowed to express ourselves in any way but like the guidance for children definitely there has to be some law where it's more strict.
Okay, let's talk about some cine celebs or any celebs from Nepal होइन बाहिर पनि तपाईँले काम गर्नुभएको छ यहाँनिर नेपालमा चाहिँ who do you know personally or who do you follow कुनै celebs हुन सक्छ नेपालबाट?
There are many of the female actors and personalities.
Styleको बेसिसमा who do you remember? Take 5 names that you remember.
Stylish people who I know or remember.
Remember, like even if you do not know them personally. Style भन्ने बित्तिकै नेपालमा यो मान्छे स्टाइलिश छ टाइप.
I think I find Samragi very stylish. Anna Sharma is very stylish. Priyanka Karki, she's always very like pretty looking good, dressed up well. Who else is there? Aditi Burathoki, I like her style as well. And Paramita, I think she's very stylish. She's got good fashion sense.
Can you please pick 5 of them whose style has to be worked on?
I can't think of, you know, honestly I think everyone is very good because Nepal everyone dresses up very well, so that'll be very rude to say.
Modesty though, you know.
Modesty honestly I can't think of people. If I don't like the style then I just forget about them. I don't see much, but everyone is stylish in Nepal you go on the road, you go anywhere in a village, people dressed up so well.
Okay, so तपाईँलाई अलिकति सेन्स छ स्टाइलको किनकि के टाइम इन्डियामा स्टाइलको काम गर्नु भएको भएर विन्टर चाहिँ स्टाइलको लागि लिएर एकदमै गाह्रो टाइम हो होइन सो हाम्रो अडियन्सलाई के सजेस्ट गर्नुहुन्छ विन्टरको टाइममा चाहिँ हाउ टु
मलाई त honestly लाग्छ कि विन्टरको टाइममा इट्स फन स्टाइलिङ किनभने इट्स सो कोल्ड यु क्यान वेयर 1 2 3 4 layers you know समर्समा इट्स अ टी-शर्ट and shorts t-shirt and pants when it's winters I'm like yeah I can layer myself so I think just layer yourself make sure that it conforms to your body, it suits your body, and most importantly confident host. But layer yourself, enjoy the layers. Kathmandu mein itni cheez ho cha, Pokhrama, anywhere. Most of the places in Nepal it's like cold, okay? So enjoy layering yourself, I guess, and then you can also put on some
keep
weight and
yourself
not
warm,
yeah,
and you'll be stylish.
Keep yourself warm.
Winter ma, okay. So अलिकति नराम्रो स्टाइल लाग्ने के छ?
कहाँ? यहाँ? यहाँ नराम्रो लाग्ने style is that people wearing fake brands. I feel I've never understood. I feel like I love brands, but I will never buy fake because also it's the industry like it's giving money to which is supplying drugs and ammunition. This fake brands clothes. So that's why I don't believe in it. No, also I'm like, see if you like brands and you really save up money and buy it. Otherwise, don't buy a fake one. There's so many bina brand bhako lugaru. Like this no brand. It's like Hong Kong brand or something. Nepal ma bhako. It's lovely, but I don't have to have a fake Gucci brand. That's being a stylist. I'm just like I'm a little particular. I'm like oh no, and there's some celebrities also who have seen where like, I'm like this is not real, and I'm like and. So I'm like, I think don't
promote fake branding.
Branding, yeah. Don't promote fake branding. Don't wear any brand. It's better just stylish luga huni parcha, you know.
So brand bina पनि stylish देख्न सकिन्छ. Okay. So नेपालमा मुभी हेर्नुहुन्छ हुँदैन?
Movie त्यति हेर्दैन, म्युजिक भिडियोज धेरै हेर्छु. Movies somehow I've been disappointed with most of the movies, at least the ones जसको म्युजिक भिडियोज राम्रो छ. But
लास्ट टाइम नेपाली मुभी कुन हेर्नु?
last time मैले हेरेको was very nice actually. It was what is it? Kabaddi होइन? Kabaddi.
Okay, कबड्डी or कबड्डी?
The first one. The first part.
Long time back.
Long time back. त्यो पछि I watched 1, 2 त्यो chick flick films. Music videos and all कस्तो राम्रो देखेको, but the film, the direction, I think something went wrong with the direction. All the time it goes wrong. But Kabaddi जस्तै फिल्म्सहरू कस्तो राम्रो हुन्छ, and I'm sure there are many films like that which I haven't watched, but Kabaddi, Sungava, त्यस्तो फिल्म्सहरू really interesting.
Okay. So नेपालमा कस्तो खालको फिल्म बन्छ, कस्तो खालको बन्नुपर्छ जस्तो लाग्छ?
I think budget is never important. Only thing that needs to be worked upon is direction. किनभने actors are great. Visuals त हाम्रो country कस्तो राम्रो छ, in any part of Nepal it just looks beautiful. I think the end result is what matters. Direction भएर पनि sometimes editing गडबड हुन्छ. अनि कहिले dialogue delivery राम्रो हुन्न. Maybe the dubbing is something actors aren't taught or they don't focus on because they're focusing on acting and looking good. So त्यो अलि के गरेर, those are the few things that need to be fixed. Apart from that, I think we are doing well.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please press the bell icon.